Dear student, myself Surekha B. Jaiswal, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bhokardan, District, Jalna. Today we will see register. Consists of basic of electronics, register, use of register, color coding, carbon film register, metal film register, other registers, and light dependent registers, LDR and thermistor. Now basic electronics. Now the word electronics is derived from electron mechanics, which means to study the behavior of an electron and the different conditions or applied electric fields. The device which controls the flow of electrons is called electronic device. Now electronic devices having digital electronic devices, analog electronic devices, micro electronic devices, nano electronic devices, semiconductor devices. Advantages of electronic devices are play an very important role in our daily life, like computer, television, mobile phone, pen drive, digital camera, etc. Now here basic electronics here divided here in first part, that is a component and devices, second is measuring instrument, and third is circuit. Now in component and devices, these are divided here also two parts, passive and active. Passive components are resistor, capacitor, diodes and inductors. Active components are transistor, operational amplifier. Now measuring instruments are digital multimeter, power supplies, voltage sources, current sources, oscilloscope and function generator. Now circuits, oscillators, rectifiers, amplifiers and filters. Now register is here, symbol of register is shown in figure, that is a symbol of register. Now the function of resistor is to oppose the flow of electrons. Flow of electron means current, and resistance is measured in unit called ohm. 1000 ohm is shown as 1k ohm. 10⁻³ is here for kilo ohm, and 1000k ohm is known as mega ohm. M for mega, and that is having the value 10⁻⁶ ohm. Now resistors are also two types here, fixed and variable resistor. Now fixed resistor examples are carbon film having tolerance 5% or 10% tolerance, metal film resistors having tolerance 1% or 2% tolerance, and wire wound resistor. Now variable resistors are potentiometer resistor, rheostat resistor, digital resistor and preset resistor. Now fixed resistor is one for which the value of its resistance is specified and cannot be varied in general. The resistance value is displayed using the color code. The color bars and the color strips, because the average size of the resistor is too small to have the value printed on it with number. Now uses of resistor. Resistor are used in to reduce current flow. Also it is used to adjust signal level. Also use of resistor is to divide voltages. Resistor are also used for biasing active component, active element, and also it is used for terminate transmission lines. Now color coding, how you calculate the value of resistor is using color coding. Now see here, that is carbon film resistance, Now these are the color bands as shown in figure. So first color band is here brown, next is black, and third is orange. So brown color band is having value 1, black color band is having value 0, and orange color band is having value 3. So using this color code, now for brown, that is 1, next digit is here, that is black, so 0, and third band is multiplier, so that is multiplied 10 raised to 3, because orange having value 3. And next band is here, that is the gold, that indicate the tolerance, that is plus minus 5%. Now see here also, that is first value, second value, and multiplier. That first digit color band is first value, second color band is second value, and third is multipliers, and next is here tolerance. So this resistor as shown in figure having the value 10 kilo ohm using color code. So register color codes. This chart indicate the value of the different colors. Color black having the value 0, multiplier is 0. Brown having value 1, multiplier is 1, and its tolerance is plus minus 1. Now next band is red having value 2, so multiplier is 2, and its tolerance is plus minus 2. Orange having value 3, multiplier is 3, and its tolerance is plus minus 0.05. Yellow having value 4, multiplier is 4, and green having value 5, multiplier is 5. Blue having value 6, multiplier is 6, and tolerance is plus minus 0.25. Blue having value 6, multiplier is 6, and tolerance is. Now violet having value 7, multiplier is 7, and tolerance is plus minus 0.1. Gray having value 8, multiplier is 8. White value is here 9, and multiplier is 9. Gold, silver, none, these are the indicate here that tolerance for gold is plus minus 5. For silver tolerance is plus minus 10, and if there is none color, no colors for this last digit, so that is a plus minus 20, none color. So here also indicate gold having multipliers is minus 1 and silver having minus 2. How you remember this register color code? BB Roy, great Britain, very good wife. Remember these colors are using this line, BB Roy, great Britain, very good wife. Now in second example, now first digit is here, that color band is here, that is a yellow, so digit is here 4, having value 4, so that is a first digit is here 4. Second is violet, having value 7. Now here that is a last is here black, so having value 0. So 470. Next is here multiplier, so that is a red, so 10 raised to 2, that is multiplier. So is equal to 470 into 10 raised to 2 is equal to 47k ohm, and its tolerance is here, that last band is here, that is a brown, so tolerance is plus minus 1%. Tolerance of the resistor is also an important property to consider. The 100 ohm resistor with 10% tolerance means that its value can be any fixed value between 90 to 110 ohms. There are two general ways in which variable resistors are used. One of the variable resistor used value is easily changed, like the volume adjustment of radio. The other type is semi-fixed resistor, that is not meant to adjust by one but technician. It is used to adjust the operating condition of the circuit. Now carbon film resistors. This is the most general purpose use resistor, that is cheap resistor, and usually the tolerance of the resistance value is plus minus 5%, and its power rating is of 1 by 8 watt or 1 by 4 watt and 1 by 2 watt are frequently used. The disadvantage of using carbon film resistor is that they tend to be electrically noisy. Now metal film resistor. Metal film resistor are used when a higher tolerance, means more accurate value is needed. Nichrome is generally used for the material of resistor. They are much accurate in value than carbon film resistor, and they have about plus minus 0.005% tolerance. Now other resistors are, there is another type of resistor called the wire-wound resistor. A wire-wound resistor is made up of metal resistant wire, and because of this they can be manufactured to precise value. Also high wattage resistors can be made by using a thick wire material. Wire-wound resistor cannot be used for high frequency circuit. That figure shows the wire-wound resistor. Now light dependent resistor, that is a LDR. Some component can change resistance value by changing the amount of light falling off them. One type is the cadmium sulfide photocell. See in figure here, that is figure shows the LDR, that is light dependent resistor. Symbol of this light dependent resistor, that is LDR, is here as shown in figure. That is a symbol. So it is a kind of resistor whose value depends on the amount of light falling on it, means it changes the amount of light. When it darkness, its resistance is very large, and as more and more light falls on it, its resistance becomes smaller and smaller. There are many types of these devices. They vary according to light, sensitivity, size, resistance value, etc. Now next, that is a thermistor. Thermistor also divided into two parts, that is negative temperature coefficient and positive temperature coefficient. Negative temperature coefficient NTC and positive temperature coefficient, that is indicated by PTC. They are thermally sensitive resistor. The resistance value of the thermistor changes according to temperature. They are used as a temperature sensor. The resistance of NTC thermistor decreases on heating, while in case of PTC thermistor, that is increases. When current flow through R, heat is produced. That this heat, when in excess, can damage the resistor. Hence there is a maximum power rating for resistor. The power rating indicates how much power the resistor can safely tolerate. The maximum power of the resistor is specified in watts. Power is calculated using the square of the current, that is I square, into the resistance value R of the resistor. Resistor in electronic circuits are typically rated as 1 by 8 watt or 1 by 4 watt and 1 by 2 watt. When powering a LED, that is LED, light dependent resistance, for example, a comparative large current flows through the resistor, so we need to consider the power rating of the resistor. See in figure, that is a thermistor. The relation between the temperature and the resistance value, the NTC type, can be calculated using the formula R equal to R0 into e raised to beta times 1 upon t minus 1 upon t0. Here this R is the resistance value at the temperature T and R0 is the resistance value at the reference temperature, that is a T0 K, and beta is a coefficient. Thank you.